format for navigation paper. I will be taking up navigation subject with you. I will be sending you a introduction mail in which you will have the syllabus of all the subjects. There are total 5 subjects in phase 1. So that mail will come to you today. If I am not able to send you, just remind me in tomorrow's class about the introduction mail. So every faculty member will introduce you to his subject. Since I am taking up navigation with you, right now what you see on the screens is the format for the navigation paper. Now this is a 200 marks paper and the duration of the paper is 3 hours. Passing percentage is the highest in this paper. That's the highest you have anywhere in any grade from second grade to ASM. That's 70%. And this paper is divided into 3 parts. So you can see part A, then you have part B, and the last one, part C. There are 3 parts in this paper. You have done navigation in your second mates also, but the difference between navigation in second mates and in phase 1 is, in second mates you had separate papers for chart work and celestial navigation. Here, chart work and celestial navigation are both covered up in the same paper. So part A of this paper is basically chart work related part. So you see question 1 and 2 are on chart work problems, and question number 3 is on execution of the passage plan. So all these 3 will be related to the chart which is provided to you. The bottom 2 parts of the paper, B and C, are related to celestial navigation. They are based on celestial navigation. Question number 4 is on great circle and composite circle sailing. Question number 5 is on plotting और graphical combination of sites, जिसको हम लोग simultaneous staggered observation भी बोलते हैं. And question number 6 is on determining position lines by celestial observation. So this you have already done in second mates. Different methods: Marpas, long bichrone, intercept, X meridian, Polaris. And question number 7 is on stars suitable for observation. And there is another topic on which this question could be based, that is star identification. And the bottom 2 questions, question number 8 and 9, are based on principles of navigation. They could be theory questions or they could be numericals which are from your PON book, Principles of Navigation book. And they could be based on different subjects like Kepler's laws of planetary motion, or circumpolar bodies, or forming a PZX triangle and then solving it. And they could be based on charts and projections. They may give you some area, particular area whose chart is to be made on the answer sheet. So this is the format of your paper. Now I'm taking up the bulk of this paper. Question number 1 to question number 7 are all with me. Question number 8 and 9 is with Captain Rajat Jain. So he will also be coming to your class. Now in these questions, question number 1 to 7, our plan would be going further. As all of you are aware that we are following now a module system. The DG has converted the phase 1 and phase 2 delivery system into modular system. So we have broken up these subjects into 3 parts, 3 independent parts. So the module or the part which we will be covering in this particular month is basically this one, the yellow one. So we will be covering the entire chart work in this month. So that is our target. Up to 14th of March, 14th of March, we will be covering up question number 1, 2, and 3. Now, along with this, there are some more topics which I will be covering up, which are pending for previous batch candidates. That is Number 4, great circle and composite circle. And number 7, star suitable for observation and star identification. Now, these two topics also I will be covering up, though they are not part of this module, they will be covered up later also. So, we will cover up this also. Now, in the next month, I will again be covering up this question number 4 and 7 with you. And in the third month, for the candidate who have joined today, we will be covering up simultaneous staggered observation and determination of position line by celestial observation. So that's the plan. Are basically the same books which you referred to during academic time. So Principles of Navigation by Captain Joseph and Revari, that's the blue color book. And along with it, Practical Navigation book by Captain Subramaniam, which is based on 1992 Almanac. So these are the reference books which we will be referring to. For chart work, any book which you want to refer is okay with me. However, if you are yet to purchase a book, then I would recommend Captain Chaudhary's chart work is quite good and easy to understand. Otherwise, whatever book you have on chart work should suffice. Now, other than this, you would require a good scientific calculator. You would require plotting tools, paddle rulers, sliding rollers, set squares, pencil boxes, compass divider, all these things to do the plotting on the chart. So, for some of the questions, you require some part of the Norris table also. However, if you don't have Norris table with you, it's not a problem. You don't need to purchase the full book. There are only a couple of tables which we refer there, and these tables are available in the soft copy also. So for practice, if you want, you can do it from the soft copy. Okay, now you would require two charts. Okay, January batch candidates, beta, which chart you are having other than 5048?
5047 भी है सर.
Okay, 5047. Any other chart you people are having? 5072 or 56, anything?
सर 5047 भी है, 5072 भी है, 5048 भी मंगवा लिया.
Okay, 5072 is there with you. That's the December batch candidate. So what we will do is, beta, along with 5048, the second chart which you can purchase is 5072. So 5048 and 5072. Okay, these two charts you can procure along with the books, and we will do all our practice on chart 5048. 5072 is basically for the purpose of your exam, because the exam is usually conducted on a chart separate from on which we practice, to give you more experience of different charts. So you can have these two charts along with the other books, 5048 and 5072. So